A tire manufacturer claims that its tires have a mean life of at least 50,000 kilometers. A random sample of 16 of these tires is tested and the sample mean is 33,000. Assume the population standard deviation is 3,000 and the lives of the tires are approximately normally distributed. To test the manufacturer's claim using a 5% level of significance, the analyst should do what? Okay, so we have an original claim of mu being at least 50,000. So the opposite of that is going to be mu is less than 50,000. From that, we can get h sub 0, which always has the equal sign. So mu is greater than or equal to 50,000. And h sub 1 never has the equal sign, so that'll be less than 50,000. So h sub 0 is mu is greater than or equal to 50,000. h sub 1 is mu is less than 50,000. Okay, so we will get our tail test from the alternative, or h sub 1. And notice the symbol is pointing this direction, so that means that it is a left-tailed test. Okay, all right, so I know I'm going to be using a left-tailed test, so it's either A or it's C. Now the difference between the two is one is using a t-score, the other one is using a z-score. So in order to use a z-score, we would have to know what sigma is. If we don't know what sigma is, then we're going to be using the t-score. Okay, so it said that the population standard deviation is 3,000. Okay, so that is sigma. So that means that we know what sigma is, which means we'll be using the z-score. So left tail and z-score for our test statistic.